Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping parallel streams, dal and rice. Soak 1 cup tur dal briefly and rinse 1 cup basmati rice. That reduces starch and shortens cook time. Now pressure cook the dal with 5 cups water, 1/4 tsp turmeric, and 1/2 tsp salt for about 3 whistles so proteins break down and texture becomes creamy. Once the dal is underway, drain the soaked rice and set it aside. You'll cook it quickly after the tempering, so stay ready. Once the dal is cooked, you move to tempering. Heat 2 tablespoon oil or ghee, crack 1 tsp cumin and a bay leaf until fragrant. This releases oils and builds aroma. Add sliced onion and fry till golden, then stir in 1 tsp ginger garlic paste and 1 chopped tomato to develop acidity and sweetness. Fold the cooked dal into this base and simmer so flavors marry. Meanwhile, sauté cumin for jeera rice, add drained rice and 1.5 cups water for 1 cup rice, then cover and cook. You finish by marrying texture and flavor. Simmer the dal 5-7 minutes so it thickens. If it's too thin, boil uncovered to reduce, and if too thick, add hot water spoonful by spoonful. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter or 1 tsp garam masala for richness and taste for salt. Fluff the jeera rice with a fork and let it rest 5 minutes to set grains. Garnish both with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon. If rice is soggy, spread on a tray and steam off briefly to salvage it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.